Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on spatial contract. So let's start with question number 1. The essence of liquidated damages is that should be A. Genuine pre-estimate of damages, B. More than probable damages, C. Less than probable damages, D. Any of the above. And the correct answer is A. Genuine pre-estimate of damages. Question number 2. Where the amount payable in case of breach is fixed in advance by way of liquidated damages, the aggrieved party may claim A. A reasonable compensation for the breach, B. The amount so fixed in the contract, C. A or B, whichever is lower, option D. A or B, whichever is higher. And the correct answer is C. A or B, whichever is lower. Question number 3. Liquidated damages are calculated dash a contract. A. At the time of making, B. After making, C. At the time of performance, D. Either A or B. And the correct answer is A. At the time of making. Question number 4. Penalty for breach of contract are estimated dash a contract. A. At the time of making, B. After making, C. At the time of performance of, D. Either A or B. And the correct answer is A. At the time of making. Question number 5. A stipulation for increased interest from the date of default is known as A. Compensation, B. Penalty, C. Liquidated damages, D. Damages. And the answer is D. Damages. Question number 6. A finder of goods means option A. A person who finds the goods belonging to another. Option B. A person who returns any goods to the owner. Option C. A person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into his custody. Option D. Any of the above. And the correct answer is C. A person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into his custody. Question number 7. An agreement among the members of a cooperative society to deliver all crops grown by them to the society. The society sells it and divides the profit amongst its members is option A. Void, B. Unenforceable, C. Valid, D. Voidable. And the correct answer is C. Valid. Question number 8. Athletic competitions are valid because they are option A. Games of skill, B. Just games, C. Games of luck, option D. All of the above. And the answer is A. Games of skill. Question number 9. Where an employee enters into an agreement with his employer not to engage in similar work after the termination of this service, the agreement is A. Valid, B. Void, C. Enforceable, D. Voidable. And the correct answer is B. Void. Question number 10. An agreement with employees to serve the organization for a few years after training is A. Voidable, B. Void, C. Enforceable, D. Valid. And the correct answer is D. Valid. Question number 11. Illegal agreements may be punishable with option A. Fine, B. Imprisonment, C. Both A and B, D. Any of the above. And the correct answer is D. Any of the above. Question number 12. All void agreement may not be illegal, but all illegal agreements are always void. Your options are A. True, B. False, C. Partly true, D. Partly false. And the correct answer is A. True. Question number 13. An agreement to murder a person is an example of A. Voidable agreement, B. Illegal agreement, C. Either A or B, and D option both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Illegal agreement. Question number 14. No action can be taken for breach of an illegal agreement. Your options are A. True, B. Partly true, C. False, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. True. Question number 15. Service agreement where an employee agrees that he will not serve anybody else during service period is a option A. Valid agreement, B. Void agreement, C. Illegal agreement, D. Unlawful agreement. And the correct answer is A. Valid agreement. Thank you.